How much should you actually spend on an exercise bike with arm exercisers? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Rigeo Mini Exercise Bike. The Rigeo Pedal Exerciser is a lightweight, portable option that caught my attention for its price point at just $23.19. If you want a simple bike for low-intensity exercise and recovery, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This mini bike is designed for both leg and arm cycling, making it perfect for anyone recovering from surgery or just looking to improve mobility. With 5 levels of resistance, you can adjust your workout intensity easily. Plus, it's incredibly lightweight, so you can easily move it from room to room or even take it to work. Its popularity is clear, over 2,000 units sold in the past month, proving there's a real need for easy-to-use home exercise solutions. Now, some people complained about its low intensity. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something more intense, this might not be for you, but if you need a gentle workout option, it's a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're recovering from an injury or just want to stay active while at home or in the office. Skip this one if you're an experienced fitness buff looking for a hardcore workout. At this price, it's a steal for what it offers. Now, if the Rigeo's intensity wasn't enough for you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Merrick Under Desk Bike. The Merrick Under Desk Bike priced at $93.49. What caught my eye here is the added functionality with resistance bands and an app to track your progress. If you want a versatile bike for serious physical therapy and fitness, this one's worth considering. This bike lets you pedal while working at your desk or even do arm exercises with resistance bands. The 16 levels of magnetic resistance mean you can find the perfect workout intensity. The included Merrick app is a unique feature, allowing you to tailor your workouts and monitor progress in real time. It's also portable, so you can easily shift it around your space, which is great for a busy lifestyle. With over 1,000 units sold last month, clearly many are finding value in this option. However, some users mentioned it could be a bit bulky for under desk use. Now, I got that. If you have a particularly tight space, this might not fit. But if you have a standard size desk, it's a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-use machine that can help with both arm and leg workouts. Skip this one if space is tight under your desk. For the features it offers, the price is quite reasonable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for maximizing your workout experience.
Product number 3, Maroc Magnetic Stationary Bike. The Maroc Magnetic Friction Stationary Bike immediately stands out with its sturdy construction and smart features. If you're after a solid, quiet workout experience at home, this is definitely worth a look. This bike features whisper quiet magnetic resistance, meaning you can keep your workouts peaceful, perfect for apartments or shared spaces. It supports up to 300 pounds and has a variety of adjustable features, including an adjustable seat and handles. This is great because it means the whole family can use it. Plus, the Maroc app lets you track your performance and sync data with fitness apps, which adds a modern touch to your workouts. The fact that it's been sold over 1,000 times last month shows it's popular for a reason. But let's be real, some users have noted the bike is on the heavier side. If you're looking for something super lightweight, this may not be ideal. But consider this, if you're serious about your fitness and want something sturdy, the weight actually contributes to its stability. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a serious workout bike that can handle a lot of use. Skip this one if you need something light and portable. The investment is worth it for the quality. Now, if you prefer something a bit more compact, the next option on our list might just fit the bill perfectly. Product number 4, Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Under Desk Bike, priced at $66.49. This caught my attention for its compact design and practical features. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to stay active throughout the day, this is definitely worth checking out. This bike is designed for both arm and leg workouts, making it versatile for all kinds of users. Its low-impact design means you can pedal while you work, and the LCD monitor helps you keep track of your speed, time, distance, and calories burned. The lightweight build makes it easy to move around, and it's compact enough to fit under most desks. With over 1,000 sales last month, it's clear that many people are finding it useful for staying active at home or in the office. However, some users have noted that the resistance can feel a bit limited for more intense workouts. Here's the thing though, if you're just getting started or looking for a low-impact exercise option, this is not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, easy-to-use option for casual exercise. Skip this one if you're an advanced user seeking higher resistance. For the price, it's a great way to get moving. Alright, that was a great budget option, but the next bike is a similar design with a few different features that might better fit your needs.
Product number 5, Sunny Health and Fitness White Under Desk Bike. Another Sunny Health and Fitness Under Desk Bike, but in white for $59.49. If you want a stylish yet functional exercise bike, this could be the one for you. Like its black counterpart, this underdesk bike is designed for both arms and legs, making it a versatile addition to your routine. Its compact size and lightweight design means it's easy to store and move around. With a digital monitor for tracking your progress, you can keep tabs on your workout with Hustle. It's also sold over 800 times in the last month, indicating a solid demand for this affordable option. Some users have pointed out that the resistance might not be intense enough for serious workouts, but honestly, if you're looking for something to keep you moving during your workday, this bike delivers exactly that. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, stylish option for light exercise. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-intensity workout. For its price, this is a solid choice for getting in a little movement on busy days. We started with the Rigeo Mini Exercise Bike for gentle recovery, moved to the Merak Under Desk Bike for versatility, then the Merak Magnetic Stationary Bike for serious workouts. Next, we had the Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Under Desk Bike for budget-conscious buyers, and finally, another Sunny option in white for those who want style. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, but ultimately, it comes down to your personal needs and budget.